beautifuls, good evening all of you. Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm also doing super great. I'm Radhika. In today's live show, I'm going to showcase a traditional and a classic combination, that is Coimbatore Kora by Siko Sarees collection at flat 30% as usual. So before explaining the beautiful sari I have draped, let me explain how to shop with Kalamadar. Kalamadar introduced easy online shopping process. There are two simple ways. In the description, we are providing all these sari codes. Click on your favorite sari code. It will take to our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Every step is self-explanatory. And number two, while I'm showcasing the saris, take a screenshot along with the code and share us on the number 9852 985299. All over the India, shipping process is free with Kalamadar. So let me talk about the beautiful combination sari which I have draped now. A bottle green and pink color combination. Lovely Coimbatore Kora by Siko Saree. All over body, we got a lovely zari weaving peacock motifs. It's a combination of gold and silver zari peacock motifs and contrast zari border, khadi border. Pallu, contrast zari woven pallu. We got a brocade design, pasleys and rudraksha booties aligned in cross lines. So this sari paired up with a plain blouse, contrast one with border. Let's check out pricing details of this lovely sari. Sari code BR327 and the price is 2150. Offer price is 1510 only. So to purchase this lovely sari, take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. Moving on to the next lovely sari in the same pattern, we got a lovely combinations in this peacocks pattern. A sky blue and royal blue color combination, very royal looking. All over body we got a peacock motifs in gold and silver zari combination. And this the border, contrast zari khadi border, pallu, brocade pallu. So for this sari we got a different brocade pallu. So previous sari we got a pasleys in cross lines. For this sari we got a leaf brocade design for pallu. And let's check out the blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details. Sari code BT237. Actual price 2150 and offer price is 1510 only. Moving on to the next color combination in the same pattern. This is a lovely pattern, classic pattern with peacock motifs. Wow, maroon and pink color combination sari. All over body we got peacock motifs in gold and also silver zari. And this the border, contrast zari border. Pallu, contrast pallu with pasleys and also rudraksha booties aligned in cross lines. Also box pattern, very different pattern for the pallu. And both sides of this pallu we got a silver zari weaving float zal. Let's check out blouse for this lovely sari. This sari paired up with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BT233, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So to purchase this lovely combination sari, take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. So in this lovely pattern we have got a lot of color combinations. Let me showcase one by one. Wow, looking so royal, very royal combination with royal blue and pink color. All over body with peacock motifs in gold and also silver zari. Very beautiful and classic and also ethnic looking. And this the border, zari khadi border, contrast border. Pallu, contrast pallu and with a leaf brocade design. So for this pattern, especially for this pattern, we got two kinds of pallu. One with pasleys aligned in cross khadi and another one is this leaf brocade pallu. Body design is same, we got a different combinations as well. So this is the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with zari border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code BT209. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So let's move on to the next beautiful sari from Kalamandir. Wow, we got enough colors in this lovely pattern. Orange and violet color combination sari. All over body, peacock motifs in gold and silver zari. Thus the border, contrast border, zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast with a leaf brocade design, very richly intricated for this Coimbattoore's Kora sari by Siko sari. And contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details of this beautiful sari. Sari code BT205 and the price is 2150. After 30% of discount you can avail at 1510 only. So to purchase this lovely sari, take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Moving on to the next beautiful color combination in the same pattern. Wow, in this lovely pattern we got enough colors. Very lovely, olive green and pink color combination. That pink shade is also very beautiful. Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari. All over body peacock motifs in gold and silver zari mix peacock motifs. Border contrast with zari khadi. Very rich looking zari khadi border for this Coimbatore Kora saris by Siko sari. And pallu, leaf brocade pallu in zari. And this sari paired up with a contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code BT223, actual price 2150 and offer price is 1510 only. Moving on to the next lovely sari, beautiful. Wow, very beautiful. Orange and violet color combination, both are very dark colors. All over body peacock motifs, similar pattern in gold and silver zari combination. That's the speciality of this pattern. And border zari khadi border, contrast one. Pallu, contrast zari pallu with leaf brocade. And let's check out blouse design for this sari. Blouse we got a contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. You can customize this in your own style to elevate the total look of the sari. Let's check out pricing details of this beautiful sari. Sari code BR328, actual price 2150 and offer price is 1510. Moving on to the next lovely sari. And before going to the details of this sari, let's read out comments from our beautiful viewers. Radhika M. Reddy Garu saying good evening, thank you, good evening, beautiful. Deepa, where is Kalamandir in Hyderabad? Yes, we are located in Kukatpalli, dear. Yes, moving on to the sari details. It's a green and pink color, all over body with beautiful peacock motifs in gold zari and silver zari. And Deepa Garu, our Kalamandir store is located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Please to visit our store. You can feel the fabric directly. We have a lot of collections awaiting. And this is the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with the floral brocade. The florals are in curvy lines. And here comes the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. Superb combination. Let me showcase cost details of this beautiful sari. Sari code BT211 and the price is 2150, offer price is 1510. Moving on to the next lovely sari. Wow, very bright yellow and pink color combination sari. All over body peacock motifs. Border zari border, khadi border, contrast big border. Pallu, contrast leaf brocade pallu. And this sari paid up with a plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of this lovely sari. Sari code BT218, Actual price 2150. Offer price is 1510 only. And Varsha garu asking for Madurai silk sarees का लाइव फिर से करो प्लीज. जो कलर चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला प्लीज. Yes, yes, dear Varsha, we are we are covering all these collections. Madurai silk saree is also definitely coming again, so please follow our live shows. You will be getting your favorite saree of your favorite pattern. Moving on to the next saree. A very beautiful combination, sky blue and royal blue color combination and the same pattern. All over body beautiful peacock motifs running, and border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with floral brocade, and let's check out the blouse. It's a plain contrast with this beautiful zari border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BR326. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So before moving on to the few more sarees, let's have a look at this video. This explains how to follow us on our digital platforms. Meanwhile, I'll take a short break and we'll back soon. Welcome back, beautifuls. Here I am with green and violet color combination saree in the same pattern, all over body with peacock booties, and border contrast with zari khadi. Pallu contrast with a leaf brocade design in gold zari, and this saree painted with a contrast plain blouse along with this zari hues border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. Saree code BT210, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Yes, Suchita Garu saying hi. Hi Suchita Garu, hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Neelam Sai Pandey asking, do you have small booties saree in this fabric? Yes, in this fabric we have a lot of patterns. So we are going to cover small booties as well. Keep following this live show, beautiful. And here comes another lovely pattern. So till now we have seen peacock booties. So this is another pattern in yellow and pink color. All over body we got peacock motifs and also coin buttas in silver zari aligned in hues checks. Very different pattern. And that's the border, zari khadi border. Contrast rich zari woven pallu in leaf brocade. And this saree painted with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. Saree code BT232. Actual price 2150. Offer price is 1510. So Sunaina Garu, where is your shop? Yes, our shop is located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, and our stores are located in Karnataka and also in Andhra Pradesh. Please do visit our stores which is nearby so that you can feel the fabric directly. And Madhavi Srikant Garu saying, good evening, beautiful. Ashwini Garu, beautiful collection. Thank you, Ashwini. And pure silk saree in wine color with golden. Yes, Namrata Garu, you'll be getting of your choice. Please follow our live shows daily. So in the same pattern we got one more lovely color, green and peach color combination. Body with peacock motifs and also coin booties aligned in checks. And that's the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade, very nice looking, and also finishing with these threads. And this saree painted with a plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. Saree code BT207, actual price 2150, offer price is 1510 only. Yes, Sanjana Garu saying superb. Thank you, Sanjana Garu. Aarti is saying I am your regular customer. Thank you so much for shopping with Kala Mandir. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir. Ritu, yes. In Bangalore, is there a shop, ma'am? Yes, beautiful. In Maratali, our store is located. Ritu Bazaz, can you show pink color? Yes, definitely. Keep watching this live show. I'm going to showcase pink color as well. Very beautiful royal blue and pink color combination. All over body we got a peacock motifs and also coin booties and cross checks. And that's the border contrast with zari khadi. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade. And this sari paid up with a plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. So to purchase this lovely sari, especially this combination sari, take screenshot now and share us on the number 9852 985299. You can also find this sari image from the description because we are providing all the sari codes. Moving on to the next beautiful sari in the same pattern. Yes, Ritu, you asked for pink color sari. This is for you, dear. Pink, and it's a beautiful violet color combination sari, body with peacock motifs and also coin buttas aligned in checks. And that's the border contrast with zari khadi. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade, floral brocade design. And this sari paid with a plain contrast blouse along with the border. It's so nice combination. So to purchase this sari also, just take a screenshot now and share it on the number 9852 985299. So this sari code is also there in the description. You can find it out. When you click on the code, it will display, it displays pic as well. Lovely green and pink color combination sari, very beautiful combination in the same pattern, body with peacock motifs in zari and also coin booties in silver zari in huge checks and contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with beautiful floral brocade, rich looking pallu. And let's check out blouse for this sari. It's a plain contrast blouse along with the border. And my dear beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. A customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Let's check out pricing details of this lovely sari. Sari code BT215, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Moving on to the next lovely sari. In the same pattern, in each pattern, Kala Mandir is providing a lot of colors, exclusive color combinations. So don't miss this collection also, dears. We are showcasing Coimbatore Kora by Siko sarees. Very lightweight sarees, very royal looking sarees. Yellow and pink color combination sari, all over body with checks and also peacock booties. Also coin buttas and border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with leaf brocade, and this sari paid up with a plain contrast blouse in pink along with border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BT204, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Yes, Tulsi Garu saying nice saris. Thank you, Tulsi Garu. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir. Ashwini Garu, COD available, ma'am. Yes, you can send a message on our WhatsApp number. They will provide all the details. Urmila Garu, good evening, Nandi. And Kavita, when we visit the stores. Yes, I think these discounts are limited to online only, online shopping only. You can, if any doubt, you can WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. Yes, Kuldeep asking for fabric. It's a Coimbatore Kora by Siko Sari Andi. And moving on to the next sari. So this is another pattern. So one of our beloved viewer asking for small booties. This is for you. All over body, it's orange and pink color sari all over body with peacocks and also floral booties aligned in huge checks. and that's the border, zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with huge floral brocade, and this sari paid up with a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BT235, actual price 2150, offer price 1510. So let's move on to the next lovely sari. Wow, a very lovely combination, parrot green and pink color sari. Yes, Rita Gupta asking, ma'am sari bahut sundar hai, please puri khol ke dikhana. Yes, we are showcasing almost design of this sari, so you can understand here, Ritu. And here is the body design. All over body we got a peacocks and also florals in huge checks, all in zari. This is the body design, and that's the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu here, contrast with floral brocade, and here is the blouse design, contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code BT238, actual price 2150, offer price 1510. And Namrata Garu asking for help with your query. As you can WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your queries, dear. Moving on to the next sari. A very beautiful mustard yellow and pink color combination sari. All over body pattern is similar, floral booties and also peacock motifs in huge checks, and thus the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with floral booties, huge floral booties, and this sari paid up with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BT228, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So Vinila Garu, we are showcasing, you're asking for the fabric, we are showcasing Coimbatore Kora by Siko sarees. Beautiful collection. We are very lightweight, of course, and very simple to easy to carry sarees. So you can prefer these sarees at work when you are going to parties as well. So one more lovely combination in the same pattern, parrot green and royal blue color combination. All over body peacocks and also floral booties aligned in huge zari checks, and border contrast with khadi, and pallu contrast with floral brocade. It's a beautiful floral brocade design, and this sari paid up with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. So to purchase this lovely sari, code is here BT230, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So we are showcasing lot of patterns, Mahima. We are showcasing lot of patterns. Keep follow this live show, so you'll be coming across. So very rare color combination, very beautiful. Light sky blue and pink color sari, all over body peacock motifs and also floral booties aligned in huge checks. Border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with brocade design, floral brocade, and this sari paid up with a contrast plain blouse along with this zari khadi border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BT234, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. To purchase this sari, take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. Let's see few more color combinations in this same pattern. Very beautiful combination, dark blue and pink color combination. All over body we got a zari checks, in that peacock motifs and also floral booties aligned very nicely, and thus the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with floral brocade, and this sari paid up with a plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BT219. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So yes. Moving on to the next saree. Mustard yellow and pink color combination saree. Very beautiful, all over body. Floral booties and also peacock motifs aligned in huge checks. And thus the border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with floral brocade design. This saree paired with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So Ashwini garu asking for lemon yellow with pink border. Yes, definitely. I'm going to showcase. Stay tuned to this live show, dear. And Kusuma garu saying hi. Hi Kusuma garu. And moving on to the next saree. Green and pink color saree. Very lovely, all over body. Peacocks and also floral booties. Aligned in checks. Contrast border with zari khadi. Pallu. Contrast with floral brocade. Contrast blouse in plain along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BT216. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So before going to showcase further lovely sarees, have a look at this video. It will explain how to follow us on our digital platforms. I'll take a short break and we'll be back soon. Welcome back, beautifuls. Here I am with yellow and pink color combination saree. Ashwini garu, this is for you. The beautiful combination. This is Assam Kora saree, very lightweight saree. All over body with leaf booties, a pair of leaf booties in gold zari. Border contrast with diamond brocade and also leaf zal. Pallu contrast with floral brocade and also nice finishing with zari stripes. Let's check out the blouse for this saree. It's a plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BT595. Actual price 4450. Offer price 3120 only. Very reasonable price ready. Saree is very beautiful. Let me showcase another saree. So this is Coimbatore Kora by Siko saree, orange and pink color combination, all over body with peacocks and floral booties running in checks. And thus the border contrast is zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with floral brocade. And this saree painted with a plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. Saree code BT229. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. And Sadhana garu asking for my saree price which I have draped. Yes, this saree price is after discount it is 1510 only. Tulasi garu saying nice color saree yellow. Thank you. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir. And Sri Lakshmi garu, are they lightweight? Yes, of course. These are very lightweight and very easy to carry sarees. Renuka garu saying nice collections. Thank you, Andy. Vijay Lakshmi garu, very nice. Thank you. Shop with Kala Mandir, dears. Lakshmi garu saying nice collection. Thank you. And Neelam Garu, wow, beautiful royal blue sari. Yes, thank you so much. We have almost all color combinations. And Lata Garu saying, ma'am, your sari is beautiful and you're looking beautiful. Thank you, Lata Garu. Thank you so much. So, shop with Kala Mandir. And Ritu Garu, yes, you want to buy a pink color sari? Yes, how can I order? So, please drop a message to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Take a screenshot of your favorite sari along with the code and you can share with that number, or else you can also shop from the description. We are providing all these sari codes. Click on your favorite sari code, it will take to our website. From there you can shop very easily. And this is another beautiful sari combination, blue and pink color, all over body, peacocks and floral booties aligned in checks. That's the border, contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, contrast pallu with florals. And here comes the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with this border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BT217, actual price 2150, offer price is 1510. Moving on to the next lovely sari. Wow, yellow and pink color Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari. Same pattern, peacocks and floral booties in checks. Contrast zari khadi border. Pallu, floral brocade pallu, rich looking pallu. And here comes the blouse. Contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code BT206, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Moving on to the next lovely sari. Yes, let's read out comments. Ashwini Garu, मैं आपकी सारी की fan हूँ. Regular see your video. Thank you Ashwini Garu. Keep shopping with Kala Mandir and stay tuned to this live show too. Wow, very bright pink and royal blue color combination sari. So we have seen this pattern. Peacock and also coin booties aligned in huge checks. And this the border, zari khadi border, contrast one. Pallu, contrast with floral brocade in both gold and silver zari combination. Contrast plain blouse along with the zari border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BR319. Actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So moving on to the next beautiful. So one of our beloved viewer asking for pink color sari. That's a pink color sari. So this is a beautiful bottle green and orange color combination sari. This is Assam Kora sari. All over body a pair of leaf booties in gold zari. Neelam Garu asking for Ikkat saris. Definitely follow the Kala Mandir live shows. You will be coming across with Ikkat saris as well. And Ashwini Garu, मैं अब सारी में बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो. Thank you Ashwini Garu. And Renu Garu saying आपने जो साड़ी पहनी है, price, yes, my sari which I have draped now, this sari price is 1510 after discount. Beautiful. Yes. Okay. Moving on to this border design, contrast with the khadi design and also leaves are here. Pallu, contrast pallu with diamond brocade. Very lovely rich looking pallu. Lovely Kora sari, very lightweight sari. And here comes border design, contrast plain border along with the in a beautiful Indian red color. Let me showcase cost details of this bottle green color sari. How many of you are fan of this bottle green color? Comment me. Sari code BT603, actual price 4450, offer price 3120. Moving on to the next lovely sari. This Assam Kora sari, pink and violet color combination, very lovely. All over body a pair of peacock booties in gold zari. That's the contrast brocade border. Pallu also contrast with diamond brocade. This sari paired with a plain contrast blouse with this border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code BT597, actual price 4450, offer price 3110 only. So we are showcasing Coimbatore Kora by Siko Sarees and also Assam Kora Sarees at flat 30%. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir Beautiful. This offer is valid for 24 hours only and that too applicable to online viewers only. Moving on to the next saree. So as I said, 24 hours. You can also follow our video after this live show on our IGTV Instagram, Facebook and also on YouTube. This is the beautiful Assam Kora saree, now pink and navy blue color combination. Sorry, it's a green and navy blue color combination all over body with a pair of peacocks in gold zari and contrast border with diamond brocade and also leaf zal running here. Pallu, contrast to diamond brocade pallu and also beautiful zari stripes in this edge. And this is the blouse. It's a contrast plain blouse along with this diamond brocade zari border. You can customize this in your own style. So when you customize the blouses also, it changes total look of the sari, right? This is the sari code BT596, actual price 4,450, offer price 3,120 only. Snehal Garu saying thank you Snehal Garu, keep shopping with Kalamandir. Neelam Garu saying collection of your all sari and presentation awesome. Thank you so much Neelam Garu. Wow, this is all of our favorite and always a perfect traditional combination sari. Indian red and green color combination. Assam Kora sari, all over body we got a pair of leaf booties in gold zari. That's the border, contrast with diamond brocade, also leaves all running here. Pallu, contrast pallu with diamond brocade design. And let me showcase blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BT598. Actual price 4,450. Offer price 3,120 only. And Neelam Garu, you like the green sari? Yes, purchase, don't get late because we have a beautiful offer on today's collection. And yellow and pink color sari, very beautiful combination. It's mustard yellow color, Assam Kora sari. This is all over body, pair of leaf booties in gold zari. Nice alignment, lightweight saris. Border contrast with diamond brocade design. Pallu contrast with diamond brocade. And here comes the blouse. So this is the blouse design exactly. It's a contrast plain in pink along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details of this Assam Kora sari. Sari code BT602, actual price 4,450, offer price 3,120. Moving on to the next lovely sari. So here comes Coimbatore Kora by Siko Sari. Orange and pink color with a small booties. One of our beloved viewer asked for small booties. Here comes it is. All over body, silver and golden zari booties. And that's the border, contrast with zari khadi. Pallu also contrast with floral brocade. Very rich looking pallu. Let's see the blouse design for this sari. This is the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. So this sari code is BT239, actual price 2,150, offer price 1,510. Let's move on to the next lovely sari. So in the same pattern we got a lovely combination here. Bottle green color and pink color combination. Body with floral booties. Border contrast with zari khadi. Pallu contrast with floral brocade, leaf floral brocade. So here comes the blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. You can customize this blouse in your own style. You can stitch that whole zari as a full sleeve. That is also looking very nice for this sari. This sari code BT222, actual price 2,150, offer price 1,510. And Neelam Garu, yes, you can purchase this green Assam Kora sari. You loved it. Yes, Neelam Sai Pandey. I bought from yesterday's showcase today and waiting eagerly for, yes, you will be getting soon, dear. Pink and violet color combination sari with small booties. All over body with zari booties. Border contrast zari border. Pallu, contrast rich looking zari brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse. Contrast plain blouse along with zari border. Let's check out pricing details of this sari. Sari code BT231, actual price 2150, offer price is 1510 only. Moving on to the next lovely Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari in the same pattern. Wow, yellow and pink color combination, very lovely and bright. It also suits everyone very well. Body with floral booties. Border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade design. And let me showcase blouse for this sari. It's a plain contrast blouse along with zari border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BT226, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So moving on to the next Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari. Royal blue color, looking so royal with pink combination. Body with floral booties and gold and silver zari. Contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with floral brocade. Very rich looking pallu design. And the blouse is contrast plain along with this zari border. Let's check out pricing details of this bright sari. Code BT227, actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. So moving on to the next beautiful sari. Wow, very lovely parrot green and royal blue color combination. Body with floral booties in gold and silver zari. Contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade. And this sari paid with a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of this sari. Sari code BT236, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Yes, Neelam Garu asking for bright red without border in Kora. Please follow this live show, beautifuls. I am going to showcase still Kora saris also. We have a red color sari in that. Here comes Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari, sky blue and blue color combination. All over the body with beautiful booties running. Border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade design. And here comes blouse design. It's a contrast plain blouse along with the border. Sari code BT225. Actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So moving on to the next lovely combination. Wow, it's a bright yellow and violet combination, looking so bright, cool color. All over body we got a gold and silver zari floral booties. Border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu also contrast with leaf brocade design and also silver zari zigzag design here. And let's check out blouse for this lovely sari. It is paired up with a lovely combination, contrast in royal blue along with the zari border. This sari code BT213, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So before moving on to the few more beautiful saris, have a look at this video, beautiful. This video explains how to follow us on our digital platforms. Meanwhile, I'll take a short break and we'll be back soon. Welcome back, beautifuls. A very beautiful combination, green and pink color, all of our favorite, right? All over body we got a lovely booties in gold and silver zari. contrast zari khadi border. Pallu also contrast with different brocade pattern. It's like a geometric pattern for the pallu, and this is the blouse design, contrast plain blouse along with this zari khadi. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BR325, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So let us move on to the next lovely sari from Kalamandir. Sky blue and royal blue color combination, Coimbatore Kora Siko sari. All over body, booties, beautifully running on the body. Contrast zari khadi border. Pallu also contrast with floral brocade. And here comes border design, blouse design, contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of this lovely combination sari. BR321 is the code. Actual price 2150. After 30% of discount, you can avail at 1510 only. Let's move on to the next beautiful Kora sari. Wow! Olive green and pink color combination. Body with booties in gold and silver zari. Nicely running throughout the sari. Contrast khadi border. Sari code. Contrast with the leaf brocade design. And this sari paired up with a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. Let's check out pricing details. Sari code BR324, actual price 2150, offer price 1510. Let's move on to the next Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari. Wow, a very bright color with a different color combination, dark maroon color with pink color combination. All over body, floral booties nicely running throughout the sari in gold and silver zari. Border contrast zari khadi border. Pallu contrast with leaf brocade. And here comes the blouse. Plain contrast blouse with zari border. Let's check out pricing details. Sari code BT221. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. Moving on to the next beautiful Coimbatore Siko. Sky blue and pink color sari. All over body we got a beautiful floral booties in gold and silver zari. Contrast zari khadi border. Pallu also contrast with floral brocade. And the sari paired with a contrast plain blouse along with this border. The sari code BT220. Actual price 2150. Offer price 1510 only. And coming up, it's a Kora sari in red color. This is for one of our beautiful beloved viewer. Here is red color for you. Red and green combination. Kora sari, Assam Kora sari. All over body we got a leaf booties and also floral booties in gold zari, and also a huge wave line running throughout the sari. And thus the border contrast with floral zal and also leaf zal running here. Pallu contrast brocade design, very lightweight Assam Kora sari. And here comes the blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. Let's check out pricing details. Sari code BT599, actual price 4450, offer price 3110. So Coimbatore Siko saris prices after discount it is 1510, and for Kora saris it is 3120 after discount. So this is one more beautiful Assam Kora sari in bright yellow and blue color combination. All over body huge floral motifs in zari, and thus the border contrast half with floral zal and also half with this zari lines. Pallu contrast with brocade design, rich looking pallu, and here comes the blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse along with this zari border. You can customize this in your own style. Let me showcase cost details of this sari. Sari code BT601, actual price 4450, offer price 3110. So we are not yet done beautifuls. We have 3 more beautiful and lovely mannequin saris. Let's have a look on these saris as well. A lovely Coimbatore Siko sari, Coimbatore Kora by Siko sari. Sky blue and royal blue color combination, all over body hues, checks with peacock motifs and also coin booties. And thus the contrast zari khadi border, pallu contrast with leaf brocade, blouse contrast plain with zari border. This beautiful sari code BT214, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. Let's move on to the next beautiful mannequin sari, all are bright color saris. So this is a Assam Kora sari, yellow and pink color combination. All over body we got a floral booties and also border contrast with this floral lines, floral zal and also this zari lines. Contrast pallu with floral brocade, and here comes the blouse. Contrast plain blouse with border, zari border we got for this Assam Kora saris. This sari code BT605, actual price 4450, off price 3120 only. Let's move on to the next beautiful mannequin sari here. Wow, beautiful combination, peach and violet color combination. All over body, beautiful floral booties along with the lovely pattern. This is in a gold and silver zari. Border contrast zari kade border, contrast pallu with floral brocade, and thus the blouse contrast plain blouse along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details of this sari. Sari code BT208, actual price 2150, offer price 1510 only. So to purchase this lovely sari, take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. So how is the collection, beautifuls? We have showcased Coimbatore Kora by Siko saris and also Assam Kora saris. Of course, these saris are very, very lightweight. We have a beautiful offer that 30% of discount is also available. Don't miss this offer from Kala Mandir. This offer is valid for 24 hours only and applicable to online viewers only. After this live show, you can follow this video on our IGTV Instagram and also on YouTube and also on Facebook. See you in the next live show with a lovely collection. Until then, keep smiling. This is Radhika. Bye-bye.